Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you make the best purchase decisions. Today, we'll be talking about the best Wagner 170 paint sprayer on the market, the Wagner Control Pro 170. This high-efficiency airless paint sprayer is designed for both the seasoned pro and DIY enthusiasts, and if you're looking to take your painting projects to the next level, this might be the game changer you need. The Wagner Control Pro 170 features cutting-edge high-efficiency airless (HEA) technology, a feature that sets it apart from traditional paint sprayers. This technology helps to reduce overspray by up to 55% and delivers a softer spray pattern, giving you a more consistent and professional-looking finish with every use. Whether you're tackling large outdoor projects like home exteriors or smaller interior projects, this sprayer provides impressive control and coverage. One of the standout features of the Wagner Control Pro 170 is its durable pump, which lasts up to 3 times longer than competitive models. The powerful pump can handle up to 1,500 psi, ensuring that you get the job done quickly and efficiently. Additionally, the included 30-foot hose gives you great reach, allowing you to paint even hard-to-reach areas. The hose can be extended to 80 feet, providing flexibility for larger projects. The sprayer comes with an all-metal spray gun for added durability, and the adjustable pressure control knob allows you to regulate the paint flow according to your project needs. Whether you're painting a fence, a deck, or the entire exterior of your house, you'll enjoy the precision and power that this sprayer offers. Another great benefit of this sprayer is that it can be used with a variety of materials. It's perfect for spraying interior and exterior paints, including latex and oil-based paints, primers, and 2-in-1 paints. You won't have to worry about switching sprayers for different types of paint, as the Wagner Control Pro 170 can handle them all. It's ideal for a wide range of projects, including home exteriors, basement renovations, and even large outdoor spaces like decks and fences. Its consistent spray and easy-to-handle features make it perfect for those who want to achieve a smooth, professional finish without the hassle of traditional painting methods. So, if you're ready to paint like a pro, the Wagner Control Pro 170 paint sprayer is the tool you need to make your projects easier and more efficient. Stay tuned for more reviews and product critiques. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews.